Welcome. This is how to fix the iMessage singing post error on iPhone. So, guys, if you ever wondered, first, in order for you to fix this, is just simply go to your settings. Now, here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and tap on your account at the top. Now, here on your account, you could just simply go for the iCloud. Now here on the iCloud, you could just simply go for the messages over here. Now guys, from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, sync now. And after that, you should be able to sync with your iCloud and you should be able to fix the issue. And if you want to cancel it, you should be able to cancel down below. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.